everybody, it's Sheena from Christian Creative. This week I'm back starting a series on the basics of Bible journaling. And a lot of people talk about, I don't have a journaling Bible. So today I'm just going to show you some of the other materials that you can use when you first start Bible journaling when you don't have a journaling Bible. So we're going to flip over to my desk and I'm going to let y'all see what all I have. Okay, so when I first started Bible journaling, this was the Bible that I had that I used every day to read in. And I could not find a journaling Bible locally. When I very first started, we were on our way to the beach. When we got home from the beach, I went to every store around looking for a journaling Bible, and I couldn't find one. So I still wanted to journal in my Bible. My Bible is actually... This particular Bible is an NIV and it's a Busy Mom's Bible. I purchased this Bible because it's real compact, so it's real easy to take with me. And that was the Bible that I had that I was reading out of, that I was studying and everything. So I'm just going to show you a few things that I did when I very first started. So I would add little tabs like this and highlight things. I would write down more than just highlighting and underlining words, but I would kind of write down like a reference of where that was that I learned it from, or where it referenced to me. I also would draw on note cards and put it in my Bible. This was one that the kids and I actually did together. We had the memory verse and then we drew a picture. And then like this one right here, it was a verse that I had read about prayer. So I just added a little tab up here with some washi tape. This one was about sin, so I just added a little tab and wrote sin on there. This one right here, I started doing a little bit more. It was about words, and I talked about the fruit of the Spirit. So I added some stickers in here. Then on this one, it was about grace, and I just used washi tape and made a little tab. So those are things that you can do with the Bible that you have. I mean, you don't have to have any certain Bible to start Bible journaling. You can use what you currently have. Now, a lot of people talk about, well, I don't want to cover the words. I don't like to cover the words. And if I only had this Bible, you'll see I didn't cover the words in this Bible, and you wouldn't want to cover the words in the only Bible that you had. Another thing that you could do if you didn't want to cover the words is you actually could get a sketch pad. I picked this one up at Hobby Lobby. It says it was $10.99. I did not pay $10.99 for it. I either used a 40% off coupon or I bought it when it was 50% off. I cannot remember. I mean, I actually haven't used this, but it would be perfect for Bible journaling. Now, I also have this little traveler's notebook. I got it at Target on the dollar aisle probably last summer or sometime. And, I mean, it's perfect. It has, just about 20 pages in it that would be perfect for Bible journaling. And that would be something you could use as well. Now, I did purchase a Bible journal not too long after I started Bible journaling. This is the Bible that I purchased. Originally, this cover was black. I at first put vinyl on it. Then I took the vinyl off and I decided to paint it. I actually have been thinking about kind of sanding this down and repainting it and redoing the cover because I don't really love it. This particular Bible, it has wide columns. I ordered it from Amazon. It is an ESV journaling Bible. And you can see I've added stuff in the columns. There are pages where I've completely covered it in here, and then there's pages where I haven't, where I've just done stuff in the columns. Even though I covered the words on this, you can still see through it completely. Now, another thing that you can do that is very inexpensive is you can go to your local thrift store and you can probably find a hymnal. Now, I found this hymnal at our thrift store. I haven't used it a whole lot. I paid like $1 or maybe $2 for it. I think it was like $1 or $1.50. And you can see where I have done some journaling in it. The one thing I like about this hymnal is in the back of it. Let me find it. So it will have an index of scripture. So like this one says Genesis 1:1 on pages 43 and 49. So then I could just go to page 43 or 49, since I'm right here at 49, I'm going to go to it. And I would journal right here on this page for Genesis 1:1 because that's the song that relates to Genesis 1:1. And you saw a couple that I have done in here, and I always write the verse that I was journaling about in here because I don't always write all of the words to the verse. Sing a song to the Lord. I wrote this one and didn't write a verse on here, so I probably just did it because I wanted to, write about singing to the Lord. And really, this particular page would be fine for any page in this Bible, or in this hymnal, sorry. Now, I do have 2 journaling Bibles. I have the Creative Bible that you see me use quite frequently, and I have the Promise Bible. These are both great Bibles for Bible journaling in. I'm not going to do a flip through of them today. I will do a flip through of each of them later on. But these have pages in them that are pre-designed. So it has, stuff that's pre-designed, and then it also has blank columns, and both of these Bibles are like this. They both have different things that are pre-designed in them. Both of these are King James Version Bibles. But that just gives you an idea of some different things that you can use, some different Bibles. You don't have to have a Bible. You can use a traveler's notebook. You can use you can even pick up a composition notebook from Walmart for 50 cents and use it. And that's fine. You can get a hymnal from the thrift store. Anything that you have laying around, a notebook, a notepad, you can use that to Bible journal in. So don't let what you have stop you from spending time with the Lord. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.